Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Tacoma SRT5 coming at you with another video. I made another one before, but we screwed up pretty bad. I got all my filters mixed up. So we're going to start from scratch. Right down here is my 2 buckets of cooking oil. We've got our Easy Strainer bucket top filters. We've got 600 and our 400 and 200 microns. Now this is basically enough filtration to get your batter, crumbs. This is deep fryer oil we're dealing with, so that might be cornmeal. And then these filters right here are another stack of 3. So this is 100 and 75 and 55. So we take just a simple bucket of cooking oil. Smells like French fries or chicken wings or whatever. It's food oil. And that's going to go through those filters pretty quickly. Because, well, the 100 microns really isn't that small. To give you a little perspective, a human hair is 50 microns. Your typical engine oil filter is 30 microns.
Smells like a Monte Cristo.
Yep. And we are filtering down to 1 micron. Here's my 5 micron bucket. I wrote it with 2 different style writings just in case. This is the 1 micron, and the 10 micron is somewhere around here. So you see that went through pretty easy. And this is a full bucket, so we'll have to keep an eye on it.
I don't even see anything in there.
And where?
Like the stuff pouring out of the bucket.
Chlorine? No, this is
pouring.
Pouring. Oh. Now what you don't want to do is overfill this. Fill this beyond the lid of the bucket. In my first go round, my first few gallons of oil, I stacked all these filters together, and the oil would get stuck in the bottom filter. Let's see, this bucket's about, got a quarter of it left. I'm willing to bet. I think we're full. So that is filtered down to 400 microns. Now we'll put that on this bucket right quick. Now since this bucket is full, we know we can pour it into this bucket, which is empty. And this is...
How many microns?
The smallest 55. One here is 55. So it's 55, 75, and 100.
And you said 50 microns is the size of a human hair?
Just about, yeah.
It's cold out here, kind of. I don't like that sound.
Well, that's the grease hitting the bottom of the can. Now you'll notice this is going through the filter a little bit slower, which is to be expected because it's a smaller filter. That's right. So we wait, and we wait.
Can I touch it?
I think it's grease. It's deep fryer oil. It's just going to make a mess. I mean, I guess you can if you want, but it's just oil. It's like vegetable oil you buy at the store. And this is where we wait. So we'll filter the rest of this down to 55 microns. And I've got to clean out my 25 micron filter. And then we'll run it through the 10. And I guess we'll do that in the following video. So that's all for now. And we'll catch up later. Tacoma SRT5. Have a good day. Love God. Love your family. Have a good one.
Peace out.
We'll see you next time.